Hey guys, as you know, it's CJ the Traveling Man and what?
Veda.
Miss Veda, that's right. We are here in Princeton, Kentucky, and we are going to check out Gravity Hill. Now, they're saying that if you put a little bit of baby powder on the back of your bumper and you put your car in neutral, the car will actually roll. I don't know if it's going to go forward or backwards, so we're definitely going to try this out. I want you guys to see this. So, other than that, I have a little story I can tell you too, though, because like I said, beyond us getting ready to experience what we're going to experience, are you ready for this, Veda?
Yep.
There were two sisters and a brother that actually were coming through this bridge that I'm going to show you in a few minutes as we come up this way. They were actually killed head on, and they're saying that they actually will like push your vehicle out of the way of where this incident happened. So I'm getting ready to head towards that bridge, and I want you guys to see it. So that's a little story I've been told about that. So other than that, I'm gonna check it out. Veda's gonna check it out. We're gonna go check it out. So other than that, we're getting ready to head that way. I'm gonna turn around. I want you guys to see the camera view of it. We're going through the tunnel, the underbridge. I want you guys to see this. It even has it, Gravity Hill. That is cool. Now I want you guys to check it out with me. We're going to try this out. You guys see, I'm going to be putting this powder on here to see what we can see. I don't know. We may see something, we may not. We'll see. But I just want to give you heads up on this. So as you can see, I'm going to even take a picture of it. Okay, now I'm going to put my car in. I'm going to turn it where I got to go, and then I'm going to put my car in neutral. In neutral again, the opposite. And see. We're actually going backwards. Oh wow. We're going in neutral, guys. That's strange. We were sitting straight. I want you guys to see this. Oh wow. I just wanted to walk over here, but this is Gravity Hill. And I just was curious. It looked like there was some fingerprints or something on the back. But yeah, I was just curious about Gravity Hill. No, kind of strange, guys. Veda said she saw something or seen something or heard something.
Heard something from where we were
phone
recording.
when she was recording.
It sounded like it said thanks to somebody.
Yeah, there's somebody coming, so. I was just curious, guys, about it. That's all. Hey, guys. Now, I put my car in neutral. Now, we're getting ready to leave, but I want you to see this because I was told from one of the locals it actually will push your car all the way to the stop sign. So, like I said, we're looking at the neutral. And we're sitting. Now, let's go. We're letting the vehicle go. It's still in neutral. There's no... Like I said, there's no drive or nothing. It's in neutral. And I want you to see right now we're going at 5. We're going 6 miles an hour. But I definitely just want you to see this. This is strange phenomenon, I can say. Like I said, it's in neutral. I'm not pushing the gas pedal or nothing. It's just my foot is right here. I just want you to see it. Now we're going up to 10 miles an hour, 11, 12. Now I'm telling you, we were on a flat surface. Now we're up to 16, 17. And now look, we're going up a hill. We shouldn't be going this fast. I'm stopping, but I'm just letting you know. Me and Veda experienced that. Like I said, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. And it was something different from the phenomenon of what they're saying. Maybe it was the 3 people that were killed that actually were trying to push us out of the way so we wouldn't get another accident. Well, other than that, guys, we'll see you in our next video. Ain't that right, Veda?
Yep.
That's right, Miss Veda.